All right, so I'm pretty lucky here at South Bay Ford. The boss man has allowed us to kindly drive his brand new Bronco. All right, I'm a huge fan of the Bronco, and this is the Bronco Badlands. Let's have some fun with this thing. Get her unlocked. Wow, pretty nice first impression. I like this. Look at that, got some orange in there. Super nice, soft, I believe it's leather. Let's hop in. Oh, look at that screen. Wow. That's a big screen. We got the push button start. You can also start it from the remote itself, just by a push button. Grab the seat belt. I always get nervous when I drive cars that aren't mine, especially when they're the boss man's car. Got some controls here on the steering wheel for obviously your hands-free talking and your radio controls. Look at this. Man, this thing's huge. And I really don't want to mess around too much with his stuff, not mine. But this is a 12-inch screen. Got the air conditioning on. You might be able to hear that in the background. And we also have a pretty big light-up display here for the tachometer. Well, without further ado, I'll show you the back seat back there. There's your roof, the latches. You can take these tops off, like the old T-tops, but they actually both can come off, and then you can take the entire roof off, which is very nice. All right, back one in the reverse. Oh, so here we go. This is kind of cool. Bird's eye view, both of the vehicle itself. You can see the cars in front of me, and I have it in reverse right now, so you can see what's behind me. All right. It is quiet. It's quiet, especially for a full-size SUV. All right, I'm gonna try to be quiet here just so you can hear the road noises, etc. And I'll give it a little bit of gas as well once we clear this turn. There's the other Bronco we have. All right, you ready? Let's that's about half acceleration. Whoa, that was fast. That was actually, that was nice. Like I said, we're not going to go on a crazy test drive today. We will in the future, so subscribe to our channel, South Bay Ford, to see like full in-depth test drives. I just wanted to get this thing on the road a little bit here and see what it felt like. So one of the first things, I'm going to roll down the window so you can hear what the noise is like with the window down. You have the controllers right here. You roll that window down, and that controls will work for all 4 windows. So if you're listening to this with headphones on, you're going to be able to hear the wind coming from my left side. And I'm actually going to pause here, sorry. I'm going to roll down both windows. I'm going to roll down all 4. Why not, right? In case you want to have the full freedom experience driving, here we go. For those who want to see a turning radius, we'll make a U-turn here. Oh, that's smooth. That is very smooth. And it's like I could literally turn it, obviously with one hand, but I'll try it just one finger, and it turns. Keep in mind, I'm a 50-year-old guy. I'm not like some big strong weightlifter. But yeah, it's the one thing I can't show you is how smooth it feels. Like obviously you can't understand how anything feels in a video, but it's a very smooth, soft drive. I'm highly impressed with the way this thing drives. One note, I like these little things here, so that when your wife's in the car and you start going crazy off-roading with her, she's got something to grab onto. All right, we'll take one little last lap here. Roll these windows back up. There we go. You might be able to read a tachometer, which is kind of nice, this big screen. Let's pull it back with the other, its friend, the other Bronco. go. It's one touch. If you touch it twice, it'll go all the way up. You know what? Let's just see. We got some audio here. Oh, let's turn that off.
Singing is so interesting. I'm talking, now I'm singing. No, I'm talking.
All right, now we just got to figure out how to turn the volume down. There we go. Got some obviously channel controls here. I just figured out later on. Settings. Obviously full navigation. Go back. There. So anyhow, there you go. A little first look test drive of the Bronco. Hope you enjoyed it. Once again, if you're looking for more in-depth videos on the Broncos, check out our channel, South Bay Ford. And thanks for watching.